Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need a quick check. Power on the machine, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your student ID so permissions match your course. Once done, collect the assignment brief, rubric, and any templates you must use because the machine follows exact formats. Now open the Homework Machine app and choose New Task, upload your files, and pick the subject and deadline. Make sure to set formatting preferences, font, spacing, citation style, so the output matches the rubric from the start. You'll now control how deeply the machine works. Set analysis depth, citation style, and target word count because these parameters change tone and thoroughness. Once the machine generates a draft, read section by section and compare to the rubric. Mark where examples, equations, or references are missing. Then use revision mode to accept strong paragraphs, reject weak ones, or request a rewrite for any paragraph with unclear reasoning. Make sure to add instructor notes for contextual. You finish by running an integrity sweep. Check for plagiarism, verify citations, and ensure formatting matches the rubric because grading penalties can be harsh. Once clean, export the document to the required format, add a cover page or header, and name the file exactly as instructed before submission. If the machine missed key points or produced errors, rerun the task with adjusted analysis depth or insert manual edits and rerun checks. A key troubleshooting tip: if outputs are off, lower depth and add explicit prompts for missing elements.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.